An Oasis fan who rented an Airbnb property in Dublin for €700 a night has called on the short-term letting site to do more to protect the safety of guests after her shocking experience in an alleged illegal let. Susan Cowie from Aberdeen in Scotland claimed water leaked through the ceiling while they showered, floorboards were rotting, the gas cooker didn't work and there was a lack of fire alarms in the house. Miss Cowie travelled with 7 other people to see Oasis perform at Croke Park as part of the band's Live 25 tour. She found a 4-bedroom property in Rathmines and booked 2 nights accommodation. When a friend was using the shower, water started to come through the ceiling and leaked into the living room. Miss Cowie claimed the socket was sellotaped to the wall. She could only see one smoke alarm. The radiators were permanently on during a heatwave due to broken valves. Floorboards were damaged and there was mould visible. The Scottish woman decided to contact Dublin City Council to raise safety concerns. She then learned that the council had issued a warning letter in March, ordering for the property to stop being used as an unauthorised short-term let. The council told her the matter was subsequently referred to its law department in July to initiate proceedings for non-compliance with the enforcement notice. When Ms Cowie reported the matter to Airbnb, she asked what safety checks had been carried out, and she was shocked to find out that the hosts are required to self-declare that they meet the relevant statutory obligations. Initially, Airbnb told her they would only refund her 30% of what she paid because the group stayed for both nights. She then initiated a chargeback with her bank to get all her money back. An Airbnb spokesperson told the Irish Independent that the listing has been suspended while they investigate the matter further, and they have been in touch with the guest to issue a full refund as a gesture of goodwill. The spokesperson added, "We urge all hosts to take steps to help keep their homes safe, and in the event we're alerted to a safety concern with the listing, we investigate and take action up to removal from the platform."